Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to create a Tumblr account in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on Continue with Google or Continue with Email. In this video, I'll go with email. If you choose that option too, now, enter your email address and proceed. Sometimes, Tumblr may prompt you for privacy policy and cookies. If it does, just accept it. In the next step, you'll need to add your birthday. Just enter your birthday and tap Next. Now, choose a username. If your chosen username is taken, you can select one from Tumblr's recommended usernames or create a new one. Once you've entered your username, tap Next. Then, create a password. Make sure you choose a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols to secure your account. Once you've typed it out and repeated it, tap Continue. Now, select your interest tags to personalize your feed. Tumblr will suggest a few tags, or you can use the search bar to find more. Once you've made your selection, tap Next. In the next step, Tumblr will ask you to follow at least 3 Tumblr accounts to proceed. Just follow from the recommended accounts and tap Next. Then, Tumblr will send you an email to verify your account. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your email address. And that's it! Your Tumblr account is now created. You can now edit your profile, add a title, description, and customize it however you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.